All right, so y'all, this is a problem out of 5.1, and one of our classmates asked if we can go through it. So it says solve by the elimination method. Okay, so remember, in the elimination method, what we're trying to do is we're trying to get either the same number in front of the x's, but with different signs, or the same numbers in front of the y's, but with different signs. Okay, so we have a 9x minus y equals 38, and we have an x plus 7y equals 54. So what I mean by that is, since the number in front of this x is a 9, I really want that one to be a negative 9. Or, since the number in front of this y is a 7y, I want that one to be a negative 7y. Okay? So you get to decide which ones do you want to get rid of. Which ones do you want to work with? Do you want to work with the x's, or do you want to work with the y's, right? You got choices here. So 9x minus y and x plus 7y. Okay, so I'm going to make this up. I'm going to get rid of the y's, okay? So I know that the number in front of this y is a 7. I want this one here to be a negative 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply everything here by 7 in the top equation. 1, 2, 3. That is going to give me a 63x. A minus 7y equals, well, whatever 7 times 38 is. Let's clear this out. 7 times 38, 266. Okay, 266. Okay, so now we're going to add straight down. So x plus 63x is a 64x. A positive 7y and a negative 7y will cancel. 266 and 54 plus 54, 320. So I'm going to divide everything by 64. Okay. So 320 divided by 64 is 5. Okay. So far I'm coming up with x is equal to 5. All right. I know that x is 5. I need to find y. Okay, so what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to come back to either one of those two equations. And everywhere I have the letter x, I'm going to plug in a 5. I'm going to use the bottom equation just because it's easier for me to go. So 5 plus 7y equals 54. Oops. 54. So I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides. 7y equals 49. So when I divide both sides by 7, I'm coming up with a y equals 7. Okay. Now remember, we're going to write this as a point. Every point is always written in the form x and y. So we're going to have 5 comma 7. Okay, that's our solution. Why 5 comma 7? Because the x is 5 and the y is 7. Okay, so that's how you do systems of equations.